Hello everyone, Sharif here at SS Customs in Redwood City, California. It is almost Thanksgiving, and today I want to go over one of our cool projects. We just finished up. We haven't done a Wraport in quite some time because we've been busy building it out. This is a Zl1 Camaro we did for one of our clients, Randy, and it's got a triple black camo. It's one of the cooler camos that I personally like. Black on black on black. So we're out here. We just went over the Zl1 with you guys. This one here is a Lamborghini Urus. We wrapped this car, I think, right when the Lamborghini Urus came out. It's a matte metallic, or actually it's a 3M satin dark gray metallic with the gloss black accents. Came out really good. It came in PPS, all black. It's got a little bit of water on it because it started raining after we pulled it outside. And the whole car is covered in gloss, XPEL Ultimate gloss paint protection foam, basically from the front of the nose to the rear bumper. And so now the customer can drive it around, go on spirited drives, and not have to worry about anything as much. So go ahead and check that out too. All right, so this time we're gonna go inside the shop now. We went over some cars outside, and we're gonna go over what we have this week here at SS Customs that we're working on for projects for our customers. This is a car from Diablo Motors. We're going ahead and doing a Gulf livery actually on this entire car. So it'll be orange and blue when it's all done with custom graphics. This project's gonna be really exciting. We actually have a couple race liveries here today, but I'll get into the next one later. This Supra, 2020 Supra just came in, and we're doing a full body color change on this. So we'll be unveiling the color later. You might catch it in next week's report. It's still here on the finish up. This Porsche Macan, we're doing a Ceramic Pro Silver package with a full front end clear paint protection film. These hoods are always a little bit of a pain. They're a lot longer and wider than a 60-inch material, so we are going to be using a 72-inch media for this to go ahead and give it the cleanest look that we can get. This one right here is a Porsche 911 996 that we're doing another race livery on. This one is going to be, I think this Gulf livery, this one's going to be a Martini design. So this one's going to be really cool. The design's almost done. This one's the new Jaguar I-Pace. It's got a full front end clear bra with S-Tech carbon paint protection film all throughout the vehicle, including some other details. We're going to tint out the taillights, finish out the top coat, and this vehicle will be ready to pick up for the client. We also did basically a full wraparound window tint treatment on this car too. This one is a Tesla Model X for one of our clients, Tom. This is Lex getting down on the project right now. We're doing this car in a psychedelic treatment. It's 3M's 2080 psychedelic. Basically, it's a gray base with a kind of like a crazy iridescent, all kinds of colors going on. Color shift here. This is going to come out really cool. We do our video, photography, everything else. BMW that we have here, full front end. I believe it's 2019, 2020. Just a fairly brand new car the customer just picked up. And we're going ahead and doing some paint protection film on this one. This right here, Corvette Grand Sport. Tons of package aero that we got on here, and we're doing some full front end clear paint protection film to go ahead and do this. This GMC Denali needed a full overhaul when it came to the paint, so we did a full cut, polish, paint correction. All kinds of soaping went down on this. We finished out the base coat, top coat. We polished out as best as possible his toolbox, which was pretty badly beaten up. We're going to do some extra custom graphics on here for his taste. They're going to be kind of wild, a little crazy, and we're going to put that together here soon. Finishing out the week, we got this Porsche, another Porsche 911 Turbo 996 that we wrapped in matte magnetic black. Tinted out the headlights, threw on 996 headlight cover, tinted out all the fallback markers and all the side markers. Did some carbon fiber aero add-ons. It's got a full tech art kit that the customer went ahead and the car came in with. This car was yellow, believe it or not, so we went ahead and changed pretty much the whole car and the whole scheme of it. It looks really cool. It's still got some yellow guts inside, so it looks really good all in all. But this color is kick-ass ever since it came out, and on this Porsche with the Tech Art kit, it looks really, really good. Lastly, Cameron over here, finishing out a project on this car. What are we doing here? Taillight Tents. So he's got that, it looks like a medium smoke.
Mid-smoke, Not a fun taillight.
No, it doesn't look
Not
like
your
it.
typical taillight.
It looks like a pain in the ass, actually. Do we have one side that's done, one side's not?
That's at done. Decided.
So this is before, and this is after. There we go, real world right there. Before, after of taillight smoke in a mid tint or a mid smoke, and looks really good actually for being as crazy as it is. So this one's going to be almost done. Customer will pick it up here soon, and that's about it for today. We've obviously cycled out cars in and out every day. So you're catching us on a random day this week. This is our weekly Wraport here at SS Customs. If you want to see something in particular or follow along with one of Bill's, check out some of our other videos that might be a little bit more build specific. Follow us on social media, Instagram at SS Customs, and anywhere else that you might find us. As always, I appreciate you. Deuce.